It's like you're taking your taste buds on a tropical vacation every single day because they taste so good. I just had to review this product. On today's video, I'm reviewing the Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin and Nails Vitamins with Biotin and Collagen, a citrus flavored gummies. And these are for women, of course. Nature's Bounty, also known as the Bountiful Company, are the manufacturers of these vitamins, the hair, skin and nails vitamins with biotin and collagen, a citrus flavored. The Bountiful Company has been in business for over 50 years and they are manufacturers of nutritional supplements. This New York-based company is well known for affordable, high-quality products made from the purest of ingredients. And I wasn't surprised to find out that they made the Forbes top 10 list of vitamins and supplements. And on that list, they are mentioned not only as manufacturers of high-quality vitamins, their biggest accolade is their price point. They do not compromise quality for value. They have a very good reputation and they are well known for hair, skin, and nails vitamin gummies. And these ones here that I'm focusing on today, they have biotin and collagen and they are citrus flavored. As I was making some research on how to resuscitate my hair and nails, I came across tons and tons of information right here on the YouTube streets that recommended vitamins. Some of the recommendations that I was coming across as far as supplements, the biotin and the collagen were coming up at the top of the list, including probiotics, which I haven't started taking it because I believe in introducing one thing at a time. This way you can see what works and what doesn't work. As I was researching the collagen, the biotin, and the hair, skin, and nails vitamins, I realized that if I bought them separately, they would be super expensive, which is when I came across this particular product that I'm reviewing today, the hair, skin, and nails gummies with biotin and collagen. So I decided to try that. The honest truth is I never ever thought that I'll be making this review so soon because I started taking these vitamins 2.5 weeks ago. So the reason why I opted for Nature's Bounty Hair, Skin and Nails vitamins with biotin and collagen gummies is simply because, one, they are gummies. I didn't have to swallow any pills, and because of the two main ingredients, the biotin and the collagen. Let me say a little bit about these two ingredients. If actually both the biotin and the collagen, they can be very, very expensive if you're buying them independently. Our bodies are actually mainly made of collagen. Collagen is a protein and it is pretty much the glue that holds our bodies together. Collagen is very essential to have in our bodies because as we grow older, our bodies produces less and less collagen naturally through the food that we eat, and the main sources of collagen, which is protein, it's mainly meat or any food that is rich in protein. What actually happens as our bodies produce less and less collagen, our skins may start to wrinkle, they may start to sag, and they lose the elasticity. Collagen provides the skin with the elasticity that the skin needs. Actually, our bodies are pretty much made of collagen, and that's why it is so important for us to maintain or to add a supplement to replenish our bodies with the collagen that it needs so that that collagen can continue to promote hair growth and skin health and nail growth as well. Also, collagen is responsible for the strength of our teeth. There are so many benefits of collagen to the body, but I'm not going to go into all the benefits except that they promote the health of our hair, skin, and nails, and that is what is important. Biotin is simply a vitamin B complex. B1 complex helps the fatty acids that our bodies need to metabolize so that they can go ahead and do what they need to do to promote the health of our hair, skin, and nails. The citrus flavored gummies with biotin support the health of your beautiful hair. Healthy looking hair, beautiful skin, beautiful looking nails will boost any woman's confidence, right? So these vitamins claim to support beautiful hair, a glowing skin, and healthy nails. Who doesn't want that as a result of their self-care routine? I, for one, definitely want a good head of hair, a glowing skin, and of course, healthy looking nails. The combination of biotin and collagen together with the antioxidant vitamin C from the citrus found in these vitamins, all these three working together to promote health and beauty overall. Antioxidant vitamins C and E plus biotin help maintain a healthy, glowing, beautiful skin. 2 of these citrus flavored hair, skin and nails gummies, it's like you're taking your taste buds on a tropical vacation every single day because they taste so good. Doesn't even feel like you are taking any kind of vitamins. These vitamins are loaded not only with biotin and collagen, vitamin C and E, they also contain minerals. But let me tell you what these vitamins do not have so that you are at ease as you start taking them, and it will help you make an informed decision if these are the right ones for you or not. This is what they do not have. Artificial flavors. They do not have artificial sweeteners. There is no milk in these vitamins. Neither is there any lactose in these vitamins. No soy, no gluten for those gluten-free diet people. No wheat, no yeast, and no fish or fish oil. So you see, these vitamins, they cater for almost all kinds of diet. These vitamins pretty much are suitable for most people. However, I want to put a disclaimer. I'm not a doctor and do not use this video for medical purposes. You still need to contact your doctor before you take any vitamins, just in case you have some allergies or some other medications that you are already taking. You do not want any interactions. So make sure that you mention that you're taking this or you're going to start taking this to your doctor, just in case. I just have to put disclaimers on these YouTube videos because you just will never know. So like I said, I started taking these vitamins a little over 2 weeks ago, and believe me, I see and I feel the change in my skin. I definitely do, which is why I had to rush and make this video, just in case somebody's searching for vitamins to take. Nature's Bounty hair, skin and nails vitamins with biotin and collagen, citrus flavored, some will say orange flavored. Double thumbs up. I love them. I love them, and it doesn't even feel like I'm taking any vitamins because it's like I'm just eating some candy. With that being said, make sure that you keep them away from your children. Otherwise, they will eat these little gummies thinking that it's candy. You just have to protect the little ones. Which brings me to the container. There in the container is shown on the screen, and that top there is childproof. No kid or toddler can open it. They've taken a step to make sure that they protect the little ones so they don't get into the bottle very easily, if at all. Let me talk about the pricing of these vitamins. I got the bottle that has 80, which to me really is an interesting number, and you take 2 a day, so that means that the bottle of 80 will last you for 40 days. A bottle of 80 gummies on Amazon, as of the recording of this video, is $6.82. Add some tax there for your state or your country, and you still are under $8. For $8 or less, that's like less than a McDonald's meal. You can have your 80 gummies for 40 days. You are taken care of. You can help improve or promote the health of your hair, the health of your skin, and your nails. I definitely give them a big thumbs up. These vitamins are very good. However, like I said, it's just been 2 weeks and I'm already excited about what I'm seeing so far, which is why I had to rush and make this video. I'm definitely going to make another video maybe after 3 or 6 months. I'll keep you informed and updated. So make sure that you are subscribed to make sure that you don't miss my update at the 3 or 6 month mark when I bring you an update on what happens with my hair. At the moment, I can't tell what's going on with my hair because I have a protective hairstyle, which I've had since before taking these vitamins. I've had this protective hairstyle, so I wouldn't say, but all I know is that my hair is growing. I'll check with the health and the thickness and all the good stuff as soon as I undo or remove with the protective style. As for the nails, yes, my nails are definitely getting stronger and I'm loving that, and I'm noticing the difference even within these 2 weeks. And the skin is what prompted motivated me to make this video. My skin feels so plump and it has more elasticity. It doesn't feel dry. It feels even more smooth, and I'm so happy, and I can't wait to see what's going to happen after 3 to 6 months. I'll be back to give you an update. Check out this next video here of the other vitamin review that I did a few months back. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Remember to do small things with great love. From my heart to yours. Cheers. Adios. God bless you. I love you. I sincerely do. Bye.